Good morning. We're going to do worked example 1. This is the first time, I think, and the only time that we'll do interest in this manner. So example 1 says $5,000 is invested at 4% per annum. It's compounding yearly. Calculate the total value at the end of 3 years and the compound interest earned in 3 years. In this example, they would like us to use repeated simple interest. So we're going to use the formula I equals PIN, where the P is equal to 5,000 initially. We're going to do the I is equal to 4%, but we need it as a decimal, so that's 0.04, and then because we're doing it for 3 years, and this interest rate is per year, we have to then make the N is equal to 1. We're going to do this 3 times. So the first interest is equal to 5,000 times 0.04 times 1, and that gives me interest rate after I put it in my calculator of $200. We're going to go again, but now my new principal, so that's at the end of 1 year. So my new principal is equal to 5,000 plus 200, gives me 5,200. So therefore, in the interest in year 2 is going to be equal to, I use my new principal, 5,200 times 0.04 times 1, which gives me, in my calculator, a new interest of $208 that's earned in that second year. So in my new principal, the principal for, so it's year 1, year 2, year 3, the principal for year, make that year 2, sorry, is equal to 5,200 plus 208, gives me 5,408. So here we go. The principal for the next one is, you've got it, I'm already bored, and you can't be bored, we have to just learn, suck it up and do it. So here we go. The interest in the next year, so this is my first year, this is my second year, this is the end of my third year, here we go, is equal to $216.32. So that's interest in the third year. So therefore, at the end of that time, if I put that into my calculator, the principal at the end of the third year would be equal to 5,408 plus the 216 this year, gives me $5,624.32. So just scrolling up. So therefore, the total after 3 years is 5,624.32. And section B asked us what was the compound interest. You can still see that at the very top of the screen, the compound interest earned in 3 years. And we can just do that with a simple subtraction. The compound interest is, it's going to be this element here, $6,024.32. And that's it. This might be the only time that you're ever able to do it using repeated simple interest. It's possible because if I scroll back to the top, it's compounding. Now, let me change pens. That wasn't very... I'll get better at this as we go through, kids. But this compounding interest is annually, so we can do that using simple interest, and the number of years is small. So that means it makes it okay to do it using repeated simple interest.